Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use banners, headers, and footers on Substack. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to your Substack homepage. This is your starting point, where you'll find all the tools needed to personalize your publication. Once there, look at the bottom left of page and click on Settings. This will take you into the administrative section, where you can configure your publication and email settings. Next, from the menu on the left side, select the Emails option. Clicking on it opens a new page where you can begin customizing your email headers and footers. Look for the section labeled Email Header and Footer and click the Edit button. Under the Email Header section, you'll see a subsection called Banner Image. This is where you upload your custom banner. Click Upload and choose an image from your computer that you'd like to appear at the top of your emails. Moving on to the header for all posts, click on Edit to create a custom header that will appear on each of your posts. You can also add a button in this section. Click on the button drop-down menu and choose Subscribe if you want readers to easily subscribe directly from your header. Now let's move to configuring your email footers. Find the section titled Footer for All Posts and click on Edit. In this area, just like with headers, you can also add buttons by clicking on the button drop-down. Select Share Publication to encourage recipients to share your content, or choose Custom if you'd like to design your own button function. Don't forget to click Save again to finalize your changes. And that's it. So that is how you can use banners, headers, and footers on Substack. So that's all for this video. Thanks.